Hello guys.
Hello, guys.
Good morning.
Morning.
What's your name?
Azrin.
Ashrin.
And
From where are you?
7.
Where are you from?
From
Cabanatuan?
Cabanatuan City.
Nueva Ecija? Nueva Vizcaya?
Oh.
Nueva Vizcaya, te? Te? Nueva
Siya.
Nueva Ecija? Wow, layo nang naabot mo. Dito ka sa Mindanao. Welcome to Mindanao.
Welcome to Mindanao.
What can you say about Mindanao? Mindanao is very nice. It's the island.
Island.
Oh, no traffic.
No traffic.
In Luzon, very traffic.
And Luzon,
Very traffic.
traffic.
Also in EDSA.
Also in Idsa.
Nakakabagot.
Nakakabagot.
Very traffic.
Very traffic. Yeah.
Hi guys.
Hi, guys.
Shout out to your parents.
Shout out to my parents.
Hello mama and papa, daddy and mommy.
Hello, Mom and Papa.
I'm here at Mindanao.
And Mommy, Daddy.
In Mindanao.
Mindanao.
Mabuhay!
Mabuhay.
Yeah! Clap. Soon you're gonna be a supermodel in the Philippines.
Sunyo.
Your hair is very nice.
Sunyo.
It's very color.
And there's in verso
How old are you now?
7.
7. Bye guys! Nasi Balangi nge! Nasi luoy kayo si Balangi nge guys, giubog. Giubog si Jairame. Bye guys! See you next vlog.